Hi! Have you heard of scorpions? I bet you have. Along with spiders, scorpions are one of the most well-known arachnid orders. Because they are arachnids, like spiders, they have a lot of things in common. For example, scorpions and spiders both have 2 body parts and 8 legs. But scorpions are distinct from spiders because of several big differences. One thing is that scorpions have what's called a telson. The telson is shown in red on the diagram, and you can also see it in the photo of the scorpion on its tail. The telson is used to deliver venom to prey and attackers. But not to worry, the venom is not really harmful for humans, except for in only 35 out of 2,000 species. That's good to know, right? Because scorpions are actually found on every continent except Antarctica. So there's a good chance that you might run into one in the future if you haven't seen one before. As one of the hardiest animals on Earth, scorpions are usually found in deserts and can actually live for up to 8 years. In fact, scorpions may have been one of the first animals to make the move from water to land. When there were dinosaurs around, there were scorpions. And in fact, ancient scorpions looked a lot like modern scorpions, just a lot smaller. And we know all this from the fossil record. But there's something that's even cooler about scorpions than fossilized scorpions. What's that, you ask? That's right, glow-in-the-dark scorpions, or more scientifically put, scorpions fluoresce under UV light. Although it's mostly adults that do this. In the picture on the right, you can see that the young baby scorpions on the mother's back aren't fluorescing like the adults are. Why the scorpions fluoresce under UV light is not really known, although some people think it might be to help them find prey or attract mates. But more recent studies actually suggest that the fluorescence can help the scorpions detect when they're in the presence of UV light. This is important because some faint sources of UV light can come from the moon. So scorpions can tell when they're well hidden, according to this research, in very light moonlit evenings. So the scorpions may have UV light to help them avoid getting eaten. So I hope you learned something interesting about scorpions, and I hope you like them as much as I do. And next time you see a scorpion, don't touch it, but maybe you can find a black light to look at it with, and hopefully you can see it glow. Bye.